Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you how to set schedules. At first we have to click on these three dots over here and click on schedules. Here, as you can see, we have to click OK, and now we can add schedule. Here we have start, not set. We can set it to, for example, 8 AM. OK, and repeating once every day, weekends, custom. For example, I want to set custom on Fridays. Here, as you can see, we have task: full cleaning, or rooms, routine, or cruise. For example, I want to cruise 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pardon me, not 4, only 3. And we can click this tick over here to save our options. If we click on it, we can edit it, for example, to full cleaning mode, rooms, clean rooms, and routine. For example, the routine I created in the other video. For example, routine hard, and if we click on this and click this bin icon, we can delete our schedule. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.